So I'm about to harvest the second container of potatoes. It was planted in February 14th. This is very heavy. I'd like to pick it up and dump it into the wheelbarrow, but I don't think I have the strength to do that. So I'm going to start by digging it a little bit at a time. And hopefully I'll be able to pick it up in a little bit. And I'm going to save this dirt and repot it for something else. Tomatoes, I think I'm going to put in here. I bought some tomatoes the other day. So I'm going to put them in here. And keep the harvest coming. So as these leaves started yelling, told me it was time to harvest these potatoes. So that's what I'm doing. Oh, there's a little baby one. There's another one. So we're getting down there. They don't grow, at least in my experience, they're not growing near the top of the container. At least the last one didn't, and this one's proving the same thing. But they're pretty, not sure how tall these are, a couple feet. So they do have a chance to grow down near the bottom. We got 2 pounds out of the last one, so hoping we'll get about that many out of here at least. See another little one, teeny tiny. They're still good. I'll eat them all. If I see another one, there's another one. Oh, there's a couple more now. There's 2 of them. Baby ones. Probably can pick this up and dump it. Let's give it a try. What's in here? Okay. I see a red one right there. Can you see it? Looks like a big one. That's a nice one. Baby one. 2 little baby ones. There's one over here. Some more. Bottom of the stems. A lot of baby ones this time. Some more little ones. There's a good one. Rolling away. Go. A nice size one. a nice way to harvest. Much easier than digging into a garden. Shouldn't miss any going this way. Have to play around in the dirt, but it's okay. It's healthy soil cube. Very nice soil. Should be able to find them all this way. It's a fun job for kids, digging potatoes. I think I probably got them all, but I'll search through here a little more carefully just to make sure I didn't miss any. There's a little tiny one. It's most of them. Oh, they're still hiding on me. Little teeny ones. Well, I'm going to use this soil to repot something else. So in that process, I will look for any that I missed this first go around. This beautiful black soil. Look at that. Gorgeous. There's my harvest number 2. I'd say it's about the same as the first one, so I'm guessing that's probably 2 pounds. And yes, we are enjoying these immensely. Just a little, boil them up, put some butter and salt. Really good. Have a good day.